How much should you actually spend on a grow lamp for hydroponics? Some people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, Garden Indoor Garden. The Garden Indoor Garden Hydroponics growing system caught my eye right away with its sleek black design and the promise of fast-growing plants. Priced at $50.38, it's a solid investment for anyone wanting to start an indoor herb garden. If you want an efficient and easy way to grow herbs and vegetables indoors, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It comes with 10 growing pods and a powerful overhead LED grow light that simulates natural sunlight. This means your plants can grow up to 30% faster in a controlled environment. Plus, it features 2 growing modes, one for veggies and another for fruits and flowers. The adjustable light post allows for a height of 14.5 inches, making it perfect for plants as they grow taller. With over 3,200 reviews and a 4.6 star rating, people are clearly loving it. Now, some people complained about the lack of drainage in the system. Here's the thing though, if you're careful with your watering, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. Just keep an eye on the water levels and you're good to go. This is perfect for you if you want a straightforward way to grow herbs at home. Skip this one if you're looking for something larger or more complex. Honestly, for $50, it really delivers great value for your money. Now, if the lack of drainage bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Ignite LED Grow Light Bulbs. Next up, we have the Ignite LED Grow Light Bulbs, which are a total steal at just $8.53 for a pack of 2. What drew me in was the full spectrum light that mimics natural sunlight, making it great for a variety of plants. If you want to keep it simple and effective, this is worth a serious look. These 11W bulbs provide an impressive 1,000 lumens of brightness while using only 11 watts of energy. This means you can save significantly on your electricity bill without sacrificing plant health. The balanced light spectrum helps improve plant absorption, making it ideal for tomatoes, cucumbers, and herbs at all growth stages. With over 16,400 reviews and a 4.6 star rating, users rave about its performance. Now, some users noted that the bulbs can get a bit hot over time. But honestly, that's pretty standard for grow lights. Just ensure they have proper ventilation and you won't have any issues. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an energy-efficient, budget-friendly option. Skip this if you want something with more advanced features. For the price, you really can't go wrong here. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a bit more flexibility. Product number 3, Korean Plant Grow Light. Now, let's talk about the Korean Plant Grow Light, which retails for $25.99. I was impressed by its adjustable height feature and multiple spectrum options. If you want a grow light that adapts to your plants, this is worth a serious look. This grow light comes with 3 lighting modes, allowing you to customize the light depending on whether you're growing flowers or fruits. It also has a timer function with 3, 9, and 12-hour settings, so you can set it and forget it. Plus, with 10 different brightness levels, you can really cater to your plants' needs throughout their growth stages. With a solid 4.5 star rating from 3,400 reviews, it's clear that this has been well received. Now, some users did mention that the stand can be a little unsteady if not properly supported. But here's the thing. If you press it down firmly with your plant pot, it should hold just fine. It's a minor flaw for an otherwise great product. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish grow light that offers customization. Skip this one if you need a more permanent lighting solution. For its features, it's a pretty great buy. Now, if you're someone who prefers something more compact, let's check out the next product on our list. Product number 4, Runto LED Plant Growing Lamp. The Runto LED Plant Growing Lamp is up next, priced at $15.02. I was impressed with how compact and effective it is, especially with its unique timer features. If you want a straightforward and effective grow light, this is worth a serious look. This grow lamp has a full spectrum that mimics sunlight, making it easy for your plants to thrive indoors. With a timer setting for 3, 9, or 12 hours, you can automate your plant care routine, so you never have to worry about forgetting to turn it on or off. It also boasts 10 dimmable levels, which means you can adjust the light intensity to match your plant's needs. With a 4.2-star rating from 1,000 reviews, it's clear that people appreciate its simplicity and effectiveness. Now, some users mentioned that the clamp could be a little flimsy, but I'll be real with you. If you install it correctly, it should hold up just fine. It's not a deal breaker, especially given its price and performance. This is perfect for you if you have limited space and want something compact. Skip this if you're looking for a heavier duty option. For under $20, it's a solid investment. Now, if you want something a bit more versatile, let's check out the final product. Product number 5. Mo's Think LED Plant Grow Light Strips. Last but not least, we have the Mo's Think LED Plant Grow Light Strips at $15.99. I really like the auto timer feature and the flexibility of these strips. If you want a grow light that can be customized for various setups, this is worth a serious look. These strips emit a full spectrum of light, effectively promoting plant growth by accelerating photosynthesis. The auto on-off timer lets you set it for 2, 4, or 8 hours, so your plants get consistent care without any extra effort. With 4 adjustable brightness levels, you can easily cater to your plant's varying light requirements. It's rated 4.3 stars with over 12,500 reviews, which says a lot about its popularity and effectiveness. Now, some people found that the adhesive strips can lose their stickiness over time. But here's the thing. You can always use screws or clips for added security. It's a minor inconvenience for a product that offers so much versatility. This is perfect for you if you want flexibility in how you set up your grow lights. Skip this if you need something with a sturdier installation. For the value it delivers, it really stands out. To sum it up, we've covered a range of options from the Ahopa garden system that offers a complete indoor garden experience to the flexible Mo's Think LED strips suitable for various setups. Each has its unique features that cater to different needs, from budget to versatility. Whatever your hydroponics goals are, there's definitely a grow lamp here that can help you achieve them.